Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's begin with second part of level 2. Let's sit back in Malasana. From here, crow hops. Forward, let's add on reverse hops. Going again. Let's go for the last time. Very good. Relax for a moment. Let's prepare for tripod. Placing the hands in one line, taking the head a little bit in front, lift the knees up, take your left leg, place on the left elbow and right leg on the right elbow. Just hold on as long as possible for you. And then slowly come back. I recommend doing the tripod without any wall support. Let's learn the art of falling, guys. So have some space behind you, make sure there is enough space. And then we are going to go back into your tripod, placing the head, lifting the knees, and the knees will go on top of your triceps. And then slowly, oops. See, you just topple. So you don't have to be afraid or scared of, breaking your neck. Yeah, Hina, we get it. Easy for you to say. But seriously, guys, you just have to think about the hands, which is going to control your weight. So if you see, my hip is right on top of my head, my back is straight, and I'm really pulling the core in and keeping it engaged. Very good, guys. And relax. Good job, guys. So if you want to practice your tripod again, go ahead. Take your time. You can pause the video as well. So let's try the close hand setting. Hold your opposite elbows like this and then place it about 3 to 4 inches away from your knees. Open the hands, interlock your fingers, keeping the thumbs away from each other. Place the crown of the head on the ground. Don't let the thumb interlock. And then lift the knees up. Just hold there. And then slowly come back. Good job. We will do this one more time. Let's go again. Hold the elbows. Open. Interlock. Head will go on the ground. Lift the knees up. And hold. All the body weight is on the elbows or forearms. And relax, you guys. Good job, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you next week.